Welcome to the Rep Expert Training Center. Today we will be unboxing a new Schaeffler NOx sensor. The first thing we notice is that there are two brands on the box. Schaeffler's strategic acquisition of Vitesco combines two mobility leaders and expands Schaeffler's aftermarket with new Vitesco products. The first product line addition to the Schaeffler family is the Vitesco's NOx sensors. Vitesco's NOx sensors, known for their precision and reliability in monitoring nitrogen oxide emissions in combustion engines, continues to uphold high standards of quality and performance under the Schaeffler umbrella. Vitesco is both the inventor and global leader of OEM NOx sensors. Vitesco has manufactured and sold more than 100 million NOx sensors to OEMs. Now let's look at what's inside. The Schaeffler NOx sensors come packaged in a sealed, static shielding plastic bag. It is important to be careful when opening this sealed plastic bag to avoid damaging the sensor and the wiring. Now that we have the sensor out of the bag, it's easy to see that it's an exact match of the OEM part. Let me point out a few things about the Vitesco NOx sensor. The Vitesco NOx sensors are designed to meet the exact OEM specifications. The robust design ensures accurate readings, which helps reduce emissions and ensures compliance with emission regulations. Installing the new Vitesco NOx sensors restores the performance of the exhaust after-treatment system and provides the same service intervals as the original part. This allows precise emission control, preventing excessive dangerous emissions. Before installation, make sure the exhaust surfaces on the vehicle are clean and free from dirt and dust. Do not remove the plastic shipping tip until you're ready to install. It's important to install the probe within 10 minutes after removing the plastic tip, as ambient humidity can contaminate the probe. Be careful not to allow the probe to come in contact with any other fluids or dirt. The Vitesco NOx sensors come ready to install, including a precisely applied thread sealer. When installing, pay close attention to the threads to ensure proper seating. Do not use any additional fluid or compounds such as anise. Make sure the mounting area for the electronic controller is clean and free of debris. Vitesco's connectors are designed to be an exact fit. If they do not fit, please check the fitment and cross-reference information, as you may have the wrong sensor. For precise product fitment, we recommend consulting the Schaeffler's application guide along with any applicable technical service bulletins. Thanks for watching. For more tips and tricks, or for more information on any Schaeffler products, please visit us on any of the Rep Expert portals.